guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got something from Walmart and they're very cool. I love them so much. And for now, this is going to be a channel about fidget toys. So I got some needle balls. Very cool. Very cool. So so I got a hot pink one. Then I got this bright orange one, this neon orange. Then I got this dark purple one. So I'm going to show you the rest of the fidgets that I have. So I'm gonna go get them. Hold up, wait a second.
Can you do over there? Now I can't do bubbles.
So I got all my fidget toys. So I'm actually going to take them over there. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me for a second. Right after I put these over there. I'm back. So let's take you guys over here. I'm actually going to turn on the light so you guys can like see some stuff. First I have to get the cord to plug it in the light because I always unplug it before I go to bed. So yeah. So there we go. We got the lights on. I'm just going to set you guys right there. So this is my fidget table. Sorry, this is all my fidgets. So yeah, oh gosh, it's like covering it. It's like covering the camera. So I have it in a jacket because I didn't feel like making 2 trips or 3 or 4 or I don't know. So this is my first one. It's a hot pink needle ball. The next thing is this really neon orange needle ball. The next one is this purple needle ball, this dark purple needle ball. Those are all my needles. Next thing is this homemade stress ball. It has slime in it. Then the next thing is, okay, it's all the way over there, so I gotta like reach over to get it. So I got it. It's right here. It's this red homemade stress ball. If you guys can't hear this, just listen to it.
I gotta go get some coffee brewing.
So it's a homemade stress ball. It's a red one. So those are all my stress balls. My homemade stress balls. So next is this, oh my gosh, this banana split slime. So yeah, I have another slime, but I don't know where it is. So yeah. Next thing is this. Oh, this water snake. So yeah, it's this really cool fidget. So it's really cool. It's a water snake. It's called a water snake. So yeah, that's my water snake. Next thing is all of these. If you guys don't know what these are, they're paper squishies. So what you do is you make squishies out of paper. So this is the Skittles. Lay's chips, classic. Warheads extreme. M&M's. This one I just
Like everything
I
that
was
we
lazy. This one's Hubba Bubba. If you don't know what Hubba Bubba is, it's this like it's this really delicious gum. Last thing is this Sour Patch. I made it myself.
The ladies
Sour
didn't say anything
Patch
that were in the resource center. The ones out
Kids paper squishy.
I haven't heard
So those are all of my fidgets that I have. So yeah, actually I have one more. So I gotta go get it.
I don't know what the judge thinks about the situation, on the 28th.
Yeah.
Like me missing the hearing might have
I have actually 3 more fidgets. So this is one of my stress balls. They're an Orbeez stress ball. And then I also have these cute little mochis. I have a pig. And then I have a, this one doesn't have a face because I erased it. But this one's a pig, a pink pig. This one's a green dog. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.